Hey everyone, we're here for a Spruce Grove real estate market report, or an update on the housing market using the most recent statistics available. So this is the update for August 2022, and we're using the stats from July 2022. So let's jump right into the report. We're going to look at the total residential stats, then the single family home stats, and then the condo stats. Obviously, most of the Spruce Grove market is in the single family home category, so we'll quickly review the condos and jump right in. You can get a copy of this report if you look for the link in the description below, and you can download a PDF version of this report. And let's take a look, starting with total residential. So the average price in Spruce Grove in July was $378,475, which was up 9.31% from last month and down 4.13% from last year. Wouldn't put too much weight on the average price just because there's not enough sales. I'll just quickly look past this. You can look closely at the report if you want to. But the number of active listings at the end of the month in July was 220, and there were 72 sales. So the number of listings was up 12.82% from June and up 5.26% from July. So the number of active listings is creeping up a little bit from last month and last year. And the number of sales sitting at 72 was down 17.24% from June and down 26.53% from July of 2021. So still pretty similar drop in sales volume compared to Edmonton. I think Edmonton was around 25% for the month, so it hasn't slowed quite as much in Spruce Grove, but a similar sort of drop. If you look at the 13-month history here, you can see that things got really hot in February, March, April, and May. It started to shift in May, and since then, the gap, which is the green bar, has gotten bigger, and that's basically the gap between the number of sales and the number of active listings. It was super tight in March and April, but now the balance of the market has really changed a lot. With 220 active listings and 72 sales, we've got less sales than we did last year and a little bit more inventory. Now that puts us at an absorption rate of 32.73%. Which I believe is sort of on the cusp of a balanced / buyer's market. I think the threshold's around the 30% mark. So based on that, it's actually performing a little bit better than Edmonton from a sales perspective and the balance of the market. But you can see that it was quite strong in March, April, and May, and it's kept pulling back since interest rates have continued to go up. That's had a really big impact on the market overall across Canada. Bigger impact than I would have thought at the interest rates and our prices, but it's definitely slowing the market, at least for now. Time will tell. It depends how much they raise interest rates, but definitely seeing a big shift in the market. Now, the number of average days on market was 35 compared to 25 days last month. So homes on average are taking 10 days longer to sell, and 36 days last July. So pretty comparable to last July. Now, if we look over at single family, but before we do that, I do want to mention that I am a realtor here in the Edmonton and surrounding areas with the Egg Pro Realty. So if you're looking to buy or sell in Spruce Grove or Edmonton or any of the other surrounding communities, I'd be happy to help you out. And if you want to get some more specific insights that are going to be a little bit more helpful for you than just what you can see in a general market update video like this, then I definitely recommend reaching out to me, and I can give you a free consultation, ask you a few questions, find out what it is that you're looking to do, and then give you some specific actionable insights that can help you make the right decision. You can reach me on my cell at 780-819-5508, or go to booktrevornow.com, select a time on my calendar, and then I'll give you a call. All right, so let's continue on looking at single family homes. The average price was $410,432, which is down 4.57% from last month, but up 1.45% from last year. And the number of active single family homes was 168 at the end of the month, and there were 60 sales. So the actives are up 16.67% compared to last month, and up 5.66% compared to July of last year. And the number of sales are down just over 23% from last month, and down 34.78% from July. So again, it's the same type of thing as what we saw in the market overall. Here's the 13-month history. The absorption rate was sitting at 35%, which is still a drop from June when we were sitting at 54%, and the average days on market sitting at 35 versus 24 last month and 33 in July of last year. Now we'll just quickly look at condos. The average price in July in Spruce Grove was $218,687, which was down 28.72% from last month and down 10.47% from last year. Your condo has not actually lost that much value. It's just very skewed because there's only a few sales in any given month. So As you can see, there was 12 sales and 52 actives at the end of the month. The average prices are very sensitive to individual sales. Now the absorption rate for condos is sitting at 23%, so more of a buyer's market for condos. And the average days on market was sitting at 40 days versus 42 days last month and 76 days last year. So that's it for the market report. You can download a copy of this. Look for the link in the description below. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like, thumbs up button and subscribe. If you click over here, you can subscribe to the channel. And if you click over here, you can check out some more videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.